Today I'm visiting a really cool plant shop here in Phoenix called Jungle Box. If you enjoy tropical plants and unique plant spaces, this is definitely a place worth checking out. I don't know much about birds, but this one here was one of the most coolest birds I think I've ever met. In this video, you're going to see some unique things. Big tropical plants growing together almost like a little jungle. If you stick around to the end of the video, you'll see why it's called Jungle Box. As you walk through the shop, you'll start seeing all kinds of tropical plants. There are plants for sale near the entrance and a lot of interesting displays throughout the store, including pots that you can grow these plants in. And at the end of the video, you'll be able to see what plant I did take home with me. One thing that really caught my attention were these terrariums with exotic poisonous frogs. They've created these little ecosystems where plants and frogs live together. It's pretty cool to see something like this inside a plant shop. If you look close, you might see some poisonous frogs. As you move towards the back of the store, you come across these small atrium spaces. This is where the shop really starts to feel like a little tropical forest. And it's really cool to see plants growing vertically like this. It can create a beautiful tropical look. And you definitely don't see displays like this very often. They really did a great job with the space that they have. It actually shows you how tropical plants grow in nature. There are actually two small atrium areas you can walk through. I really enjoy seeing these plants grow together. It makes me feel I'm in a tropical forest. Another thing I noticed while I was here, everyone was extremely nice. You can tell they really enjoy plants and helping people. If you enjoy tropical plants, this is definitely a fun place to visit. You could easily spend a good half hour here just walking around and looking at everything. I did end up picking up this rattlesnake plant while I was here today. I really like the pattern on the leaves. Thanks for coming along with me today. Follow along as the story grows. I'll see you soon.